Okay, the other casting I got from Market Street when I was there is the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. It's from the Hot Trucks. There's the 94 250. There's the back of that. There's the barcode. Gonna break this out. For a while I was collecting pickup trucks pretty heavy, but haven't really bought a whole lot lately. So it feels like the cab or the top of it is metal. And then here's our base. F-150 SVT Lightning, Malaysia. Looks like that's a 2020 number. I don't know if I can read what's on the side. I'll probably have to look at that a little closer. And I'll put it up right here. Perfect. Perfect. Pretty cool. There we go. Thanks for checking out Ronnysgames.